Yeah, hi. Today's topic is same topic, decimals part 2. Okay. A brief introduction to decimals already we have done in a previous video. Okay. Part 2. Okay. Example. I am just taking one example of a decimal number 547.829. Now, what is this? Here, whole part is 547. Decimal part is 829, and this is represented. It is known as decimal point. Okay, and it is just an explanation. Okay. You need to concentrate what I am explaining so that you can solve the given example problems. Okay, now we know already whole part is nothing but 547 is how to expand this. I told you already the place value of decimal numbers is starts with units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like that. Okay, I'm not writing spellings, instead of I'm writing just numbers. Okay, units one. Then we thought we don't have any kind of places before units, but it is there. What are those? After units point will exist. Then first place after units is 1/10. What does it mean? Mathematically 1/10 is nothing but 1/10. Okay, the next one is 1/100th. Okay, I'm not writing spelling here. The next place will 1,000th. THS, you need to write down THS. Okay, now these are the place values. If you observe carefully, now you need to substitute these values according to their places. 547, how you are going to write? 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. 547 point, 8 is in 1/10 place, 2 is in 1/100th place, 1 by. Okay, hundredths, 1/100 is nothing but 1/100, and 9 is in 1,000th place. Okay, this is how you are going to denote. And expanded form will be like this. Now because 7 is in units place, what you are doing? 7 into 1. Okay, then 4 is in tens place, so that is why you are multiplying with a 10, and 5 is in 100 place, that is why you are multiplying with a 100. This you know from the beginning, from your first class you have learned, till 5th class you have learned how to expand a number. Now what you are going to learn? The next part, the decimal part, how to expand you are going to learn. Okay, plus 8 is in which place? 1/10th place. Now 2 is in which place? 1/100th place. And 9 is in which place? 1/1000th place. Now how to expand now? 5 into 100, 500, plus 4 into 10, 40, 7 ones are 7. Now when you are multiplying a number, a whole number, to a fraction, always it is multiplied to the numerator. 8 ones are 8/10. Next 2/100 plus 9/1000. Okay, now so this is expanded form. Standard form will be 447.829. If you see pictorially, I mean with the diagram, if I explain, now this is one biscuit. Okay, one biscuit. Now 10 people are there, so what you are doing? 10 pieces you are doing, and you are selecting only one, so this indicates 1/10. Okay, listen, this is 1/10. Now if you are going to divide the same thing with 100 people, what you are going to do? Are you see the same thing, these are 10 pieces, right? And you are going to make 100 pieces now. So 10 tens are 100. Now this small part is called as, this small double shaded part is called as 1/100. Okay, this is 1/100. Now what I want to explain is, for example, now one apple is there. Okay, I have an apple. Okay, I'm making two parts. Okay, two pieces. Only two people are there. One apple is there. So what you are going? How we are going to draw? If I make half piece, so the piece will look like this. Okay, now this is half piece. So I can represent this as 1 by 2. Okay, the other half will be like the other half in the same way. Other half also you are going to get in the same way. Okay, another half. Now if you join these two, it will become one apple, right? Now 4 people came. 4 people. Now what you are going to do? To one apple you are going to make 4 pieces. Now each one is going to get this part. What does it mean? 1 by 4. Now you tell me, the same apple, if you take circle, I am taking half. Now this one is half. 1 by 2. Now tell me, which piece is more? When you are comparing with the first diagram and second diagram, when 2 people are there, you are going to get half. More apple you are going to get little bit more. When 4 people came, to one apple you are going to make 4 pieces. So each one is going to get quarter part. Whereas if 2 people came, you are going to get half part. So if you compare, when you are making less pieces, you are getting more quantity of apple. When you are making 4 pieces, you are getting less amount of apple. Okay, so what I want to explain is, when to a number, when you are dividing with the 10, okay, somewhat it is a fraction, and when you divide with the 100, when you are dividing with the 10, you are getting here. So when you are dividing with the 10, the part will be like this. Okay, rectangle. And when you are dividing with the 100, when you are making 100 pieces and you are selecting only part, this small part you are getting. So as you make the denominator more number, you are going to get the amount as very smaller one. So what I want to explain is, when you move to the right side of units, this is a less one, and the other place is more less part than the before one. Okay, this is smallest one, very small, very small, very small, minor number. So as you move to the right side in decimal numbers, the value will decrease here. Understood? Here it is 8 by 10. It is 2 by 100. So from 10 pieces you are taking 8. From 100 pieces you are taking 2. From 1000 pieces you are taking 9. All these are just part of 1 rupee only, 1 biscuit only. To one apple, imagine, take an apple. Okay, you are making 10 pieces. Okay, 1 pieces if you select. Okay, now compare the same thing, the same apple you are making 100 pieces and you are getting only 1 piece. So which one will be more? Dividing with a 10 or dividing with a 100? So when you are dividing with a 10, you will get a small amount. When you are dividing with a 100, you will get very small amount. So as you decrease the denominator value, as you increase the denominator value in a fraction, the value will decreases. So 1 by 2, 1 by 100. Which number is more here actually? 1 by 2 or 1 by 100? So 1 by 2 is bigger number than 1 by 100. Why? Because to one apple you are making 2 parts and you are selecting only 1. And 1 by 100 you are making 100 pieces and you are selecting 1. Which piece is more? First one or second one? The apple which is making 2 pieces is bigger than an apple making 100 pieces and selecting 1, right? So imagine in that way. Think mathematics practically. Okay. So this is how we are going to do the decimal numbers expanded form. So the same thing you need to do even here also. I hope everyone can solve this one. Now check out page number 44. I want everyone to solve this. Okay. Write the following numbers in their expanded form. Even this also you need to solve. Clear? Thank you.